Exciting expressions. Exclaim it right. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic of English language learning: exclamation marks. Particularly, we'll focus on rewriting sentences with appropriate exclamation marks. Our aim is to make your sentences more expressive and impactful. The exclamation mark is a punctuation mark in English that we use to express strong emotion or surprise. It's often seen at the end of exclamatory sentences, interjections, or commands. For example, "What a beautiful sunset." Hey! Stop! Keep in mind, the overuse of exclamation marks can make your writing seem less professional. So, use them sparingly and judiciously. There are certain guidelines to follow while using exclamation marks. 1. End of exclamatory sentences. Exclamation marks are used at the end of sentences that express strong emotions like joy, anger, surprise, or fear. 2. After interjections. They are used after interjections. Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotion. 3. Commands and instructions. Sometimes, they are used at the end of commands or instructions to emphasize urgency or importance. Let's put our learning into practice. I'll provide you with sentences, and your task is to rewrite them using exclamation marks appropriately. 1. What a great idea this is! Hint: an exclamatory sentence often starts with "what" or "how." 2. I can't believe you did that. Hint: show surprise or disbelief. 3. Please be careful with that glass. Hint: stressing the importance of a command. Let's see how we can rewrite these sentences with appropriate exclamation marks. 1. What a great idea this is! Rewritten sentence. What a great idea! Explanation. Here, we are expressing admiration. Thus, the sentence is exclamatory and needs an exclamation mark. 2. I can't believe you did that. Rewritten sentence. I can't believe you did that. Explanation. The sentence expresses surprise or disbelief. Hence, an exclamation mark is added at the end. 3. Please be careful with that glass. Rewritten sentence. Please be careful with that glass. Explanation. The sentence is a command stressing importance, so an exclamation mark is used to emphasize the urgency. And that's it for today's session, folks. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use exclamation marks in your sentences to make them more expressive and impactful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and keep improving. Until next time, happy learning.